In today's video, we are testing which truck filled with baked beans can make it through our obstacle course. Bruh, even after going through our obstacle course, not one bean spilled out of the body of the truck. We gotta find where they make those things. Smash that subscribe button and let's go.
So Morgan, we are the largest manufacturer of medium-sized trucks. So the trucks that you see on the road, like U-Haul, Penske, Prize, some of those are our trucks, and we're the manufacturer. We built the box that sits on top of the chassis.
I think you see it more than you realize in the world, that most places are manufacturing production, and Morgan trucks are on the road every single day. You probably see 50 a day and you don't even realize it. And they're the trucks that move the world. Boxes, groceries, everything you get pretty much comes on a Morgan truck.
Manufacturing takes part in everything in our daily society, whether it be your phones, tables, anything that's mechanical, anything that needs to be built, engineered, it's going through some phase of manufacturing. So, and it's a good career if you want to move up, you want to learn different things, you want to travel, anything it may be. Once you get these certifications, you got a good future in trades.
I mean, manufacturing might seem small, but there's so many opportunities for it. I was thinking back to someone that I worked with at our Denver location. He came in fresh out of high school at 18. He's taken on multiple promotions. He now works across the street at our corporate office. So manufacturing can open a ton of opportunities for people if they're willing to work hard for it.
I like working with my hands, but to be able to be part of building something and then stand back and say, yeah, I helped build that, whether it be a truck body or parts that go into a truck body. It's just that the satisfaction that you're part of something that's part of a bigger team. At the end of the day, though, you look and say, yeah, I was part of that.
My favorite part is definitely the people. I met some of the greatest people here, and they all have a different story, and I love working with everybody here.
Money is one thing, but that's this much. You need to be happy and proud of what you do.